This video is on how to clean and maintain your clippers and your trimmers after use. These are the three different models of hair cutting tools that we have. This is the first generation of the clipper that we sold. This is the second generation of the clipper that we sold. And here is our new trimmer with the adjustable lever. The trimmer is actually waterproof up to a certain point. So it can take shower or faucet water. So you can actually clean this in the shower or faucet. However, today I'm going to show you how to clean them without water. The best way to start cleaning your clippers and trimmers are going to be to get the small brush that comes with your clippers and trimmers and to begin by brushing away any hairs that are inside of the blades and get them out of the blades. All right, you'll see here, I'm going in between the teeth of the blades and just brushing the hair out. This is the most common way that you're gonna clean your clippers and your trimmers. All right. So one thing you want to notice about the trimmers is that the gear is actually hair, and sometimes hair can get trapped in here. So you want to make sure that any hair is outside of the gear area so it doesn't stop the performance of your clipper or your trimmer. Another thing that you want to notice about cleaning your clippers is that you can actually remove these heads and clean inside. So to remove the head, you want to set this to the 2.0 area. Here's the older version. Set it to the 2.0 area. And you just want to push your thumb against the teeth and push outwards. And then that will expose the blades and the machine's motor. Same on this one. You want to hold on to it and push it, and it's going to pop out the blades and it will show you the motor. Same thing with cleaning these. You want to get all the hair out of the blades and make sure that nothing's obstructed in these areas. So if you're cutting other people's hair, you want to make sure that you're using gloves when you clean these clippers or trimmers. It's actually best practice to use gloves in general when you're cleaning your machines. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some paper towels. You can lightly wet them, but I wouldn't put any cleaning solution on them, as you can end up rubbing off the paint on your clippers if you keep doing it over time. So just want to get it nice and clean and dry of any residue or any hair. Same thing for the blades. Get it nice and clean. Get it nice and clean. Last thing you want to do when you're cleaning your clippers and trimmers is you want to make sure that you oil the blades so that they don't get hot, overheat, and it just keeps them nice and smooth and running quietly. So to do that, you want to pour it onto the blades. You also want to pour it behind the blades, and then any areas that you know that the machine is going to be moving. All right, so even get it a little bit around the motor area. As you can see, there's still more hair back here that you can clean out, so just make sure that you're getting everything out. Okay, with the trimmers, you want to make sure that you're pouring the oil behind and onto the blades, and then also in the motor area. Now, what I normally do after I pour the oil on is I move the blades up and down just to get the oil worked in, and then I turn the machine on and then I move it up and down. That just lubricates everything by moving oil into the machine. To replace the blades on your clipper, you're going to want to make sure that it's set to 2, and then you want to line up the groove here, and then you push it back on. All right, so we'll do it on this one here. Line up the groove and push it back on. Same thing with these. Once you've put oil on them, you want to run the machine. You want to adjust the blades to work the oil in. And that's how you do maintenance and cleaning of your clipper and your trimmer. You want to do this after every time you cut hair to keep the life of your machines the longest. Now, another way that you can clean your tools is if you have a cleaning solution and you have some dirty trimmers, then you can actually, let me try and get some hair on it. You can actually get a cleaning solution, a bowl of the cleaning solution, and it's very important that you just dip the blade area and then you run the trimmer itself in the solution. You don't want to push the whole thing down into the water or into the cleaning solution, as you don't want water to get in the battery area. All you really want to do is to clean any hair that's around the blades. All right. Of course, you're still going to have to do some brushing at the end, and then you'll have to wipe it as well. And then, most importantly, after you dip in a cleaning solution, you want to make sure that you put oil in the blades and run them. All right. Same thing for the clipper. If you have a cleaning solution, you can run it and just run the blades, and it will clean out the blades. You don't want to get the cleaning solution over here in the battery area, because that can kill your machine. After you're done, dry it. Make sure that you dry all the cleaning solution. And then you want to oil it like we talked about earlier. All right. That's how you maintain your tools, and they'll keep them alive as long as possible. Thank you.